Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study history for SSC CGL. First, familiarize yourself with the complete syllabus to understand the scope. Next, prioritize the three main sections: ancient, medieval, and modern Indian history. Pay close attention to significant events, crucial dates, and influential personalities from each period. This foundational knowledge is essential for building a strong understanding. For effective preparation, begin with insert textbooks, specifically from class 6 to 12, as they provide a solid base. Supplement this with one comprehensive reference book to gain deeper insights into complex topics. As you study, make sure to create your own concise notes. These personalized summaries will be invaluable for efficient revision later on. To truly grasp history, use timelines to visually organize events and their chronological order. This helps in understanding the flow of history. Always try to connect different events, identifying their causes and effects, which deepens your comprehension. Consistent and regular revision of all topics is crucial to ensure long-term retention and recall of facts. Finally, to solidify your preparation, consistently solve previous year's question papers. This familiarizes you with the exam pattern and question types. Regularly attempt full-length mock tests to evaluate your current standing and identify areas needing improvement. Critically analyze your mistakes from these tests to refine your strategy and boost your overall performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.